Genesis program is a recent, quite a new funding program where instead of the government taking 6 to 12 months to tell you whether you've won or not, this is something that we have money to spend and you're going to know in the next month or so. So we were contacted by a couple of groups that said, are you interested in collaborating with us on this to really push some of the capabilities? Because a lot of groups, these are a combination of national labs, universities, and hopefully an industrial partner where they just don't want sort of pie in the sky, theoretical things. They want something that really is going to be, that can be commercialized, something that has a real world significant impact. And many of the advances from RHK over the years has been in collaborations with different universities and government lab groups. We first got involved with SPM, where we worked with one of the first STM groups in America, Dr. Miguel Samarone and Frank Ogletree, back in the mid-1980s to build STM. And we collaborated with them because they had developed something in their lab. They weren't business guys, they weren't commercial guys, they were doing research, but they wanted to see this technology be able to reach out to a broader range of researchers. So we've done that over the years with near field optics with that. So that's something that researchers, if you have some idea you want to think is the next great thing, reach out to us. That's something that we're very interested in doing. That's becoming an increasingly larger part of where RHK is. One, to help, because these kind of grants bring resources. And our goal is to collaborate with people that have something that will have a wide applicability. We're not a research company. We're not in business to get grants just to spend government money to develop things. That's what universities do. But if it's something that will help develop a product that has a wide applicability and is somewhat along our project trajectory. If somebody comes up with something that's completely out in left field, potentially it's interesting, but we want to build on our strengths. We've been building scanning probe microscopes, this type of surface science instruments. Before scanning probe microscopes, we made very specialized temperature controllers for people doing temperature programmed absorption. I believe it was the first digital temperature controller that you could get for any type of thing like this. Before that, we built high-resolution electron energy loss spectrometer systems. These aren't SPMs, but they're all for surface science. We're known in the community. We're trusted in the community. We know how to service the community. So in that sort of field, we're always looking for the next big thing. So, and even if it's the next medium thing, the researchers are out there trying new things, and it's our job to go there and help commercialize it.